To set up a vendor to be paid by EFT, we will click on the Vendors button. This can also be accessed by clicking on Edit and Vendors. Select the vendor that we want to set up for EFT payment. In this case, we're going to choose ABC Company. By selecting ABC Company, we will see the vendor address and information. Let's click on the Accounting tab. We will now see specific default information related to the accounting for ABC Company. Today, we are looking specifically at activating EFT payments for this vendor. Click on the Enable EFT checkbox to set EFT as a default payment method. You will still be able to decide later whether you want to pay this by EFT or by check. However, the default payment method going forward will now be EFT for this client. Since we are setting up EFTs, we are most likely also going to want to email the pay advices to the vendor. To change this, click on the pull-down menu beside Preferred Advice Method and select Email. By choosing email, we will also need to ensure that there is an email address where this advice will get sent to. To do this, enter the email beside the Advised Email section and enter the contact to whom this email will be sent. We will need to tell Adagio which bank account the EFT will be sent to. To do this, enter the bank account number, which needs to include an institution number, a transit number, and a bank number, in that order. Finally, once the EFT has been enabled, a separate tab will be added to this vendor, where we will need to select the EFT bank account type and the transaction type. This is dependent on your vendor and the bank you are using to make these payments. This vendor has now been set up to be paid by EFT.